Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable game mode on Windows 11. So to enable game mode on Windows 11, here's a simple step on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the window tab on the screen, or perhaps you can use the keyboard to click on the window button. Then just click on the settings. Then from there you have to navigate to click on gaming, which is at the left side of the screen. Just tap on gaming, click on it. Then you have to click on this option called game mode. Then make sure that this particular button is toggled on your settings, and this can enable and enhance the PC to perform efficient and a awesome gaming experience. So make sure that this particular button is turned on for better gaming experience, and that's how you can simply turn on game mode on Windows 11. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.